So guys, welcome to another episode. My name is Grace Kerim Vision Actual to my tiny subscribers. Thank you always for coming to check me here. And if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. Talk live from the village. And here I'm just here at I'm going to the side like, and this is our garden here full of tea leaves, guys. This is my village, and here we are doing intercropping, like mixed farming, guys. So, and then I'm going to the side to go to collect some firewood. As you know, here in the village, we usually use firewood all day, like in the morning, in the afternoon, the evening, and anytime that you want to use the firewood, that's what I'm going to pick from the side, because if you don't get prepared, because if the rain comes and finds that you don't have firewood, you're gonna sleep hungry. So enjoy the video, continue watching until the end. Wow. So guys, I told you that here in the village we usually use firewood, and here these are the ones that I've come to pick from the side. And here, this is our side here. See, we don't have a lot of trees, and we have cut them like all. And now I have to tie them, and this is how we tie them, guys. After tying them, I'm going to put them on my head. We usually cut on our heads. This is African village lifestyle. If you are outside there, if you come to visit me, guys, we have to come and collect firewood. But this one here, we had cut a tree like long time ago, and at least they are dry. These ones here, you can use them for cooking and any other stuff that even you can sell. You have all this. This is the basic needs you can buy. You can sell them and buy like salt, sugar, and cooking oil as about the basic needs at the village. So drop a comment what you think about this video here. Talking live from the village, and usually the village, this is how it looks. It's all the same as the village. It looks green everywhere. Expect to see that, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. So let me put on my head. Up here. So guys, what I was telling you, the mixed farming here, guys. Then you can tie your goats here if you want them to graze without you standing over them, guys. So guys, I'm at the market, and I need to buy some beans maybe. This is where beans are sold, guys. Here they're selling cassava, finger millet, sorghum, beans. So this is the market. Actually today is a market day, and I've come just to buy some things here like beans, guys. Yeah, this is it, and this is the mama here who is selling. Hey. Pakawa kakane. Irenga water. So guys, here I have, what do you see? This is here. This is our local handbag, guys. Our local handbag, and I'm just from the market. Just from the market, I went to buy some stuff like and the time now it's like I don't have a watch. It's like coming to midday, like guys. And this is how the village looks. Actually, there are not that much people on the road because it is early and it is a market day. And this is how it looks here. Look, guys. Actually, here we are at the village, and usually we hang our clothes here. So I want to wash it in the morning, so I want to take it from here. The village always greets us, as you can see from here. Always, this is my village because my two are new here. Actually, I'm talking from my village home. See how it looks. Do you hang your clothes at the fence like our home here? Do you hang your clothes at the fence, guys? This is where we hang our clothes. Also, we have a wire here. Yeah, we have a wire there. That's where we hang them, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Continue watching until the end. And if you haven't subscribed, please go do it. Okay, this is up now. I have to go and just to put the clothes together, maybe in the house. Thank you for coming to watch. Thank you for coming to support me. I really appreciate the love that you usually show me always, guys. Guys, I forgot to tell you here that is aloe vera. This is the best medicine here. If you're at your village, if you don't have this, that means that you are no one, because this one here, it's a medicine of human beings, also a medicine of chicken. If you have chicken out there, take the aloe vera, cut it into pieces and put into the jerrycan of the water that you are going to fill the water to the chicken, guys. Boom.